से पूछेंगे तो वो आपको बताएंगे ये क्रिसमस मार्केट वर्ल्ड का बेस्ट क्रिसमस मार्केट है. But I'll leave that for you to decide. Here you'll find carefully constructed wooden stalls lined with Christmas lights arranged in rows, hawking Christmas ornaments, handicrafts, roasted chestnuts, and of course mulled wine, all under the watch of enormous Gothic-style city council building, which becomes illuminated as soon as the sun starts to set. मेरा फोर्थ और फिफ्थ क्रिसमस मार्केट है इस ट्रिप का एंड आई कांट गेट ओवर आई एम सिंपली लविंग दिस. Ice skating ring. This is the only place where you can come and do ice skating. This ice skating rink is situated right in this Christmas market, which is in Town Hall.
That's a mixture of Perth and Krampus.
Okay.
The definition from nobody actually knows right now
What is
Perth,
exactly
what was the Krampus.
That's right.
The traditional Krampus, this is a red mask with horns. A red devil with horns. That's a tradition of the Catholic Church. Actually, in the Middle Age, came this kind of masks out. What we have here is the other group, the other society. And that's modern. It's the very, very good-looking, cool-looking modern masks. Ooh. You see that there's the teeth.
Krampus, the Christmas devil of Alpine Europe. It was fun to watch and celebrate Austrian cold night with devils. A man dressed in traditional Piak costume and mask performed during a Piak festival in Austria. हर साल नवंबर से जनवरी तक ऑस्ट्रिया की हर विलेज में Piak और Krampus की परेड होती है, जहाँ पर डिफरेंट कॉस्ट्यूम्स एंड स्कैरी मास्क पहन के लोग स्ट्रीट पे परफॉर्म करते हैं. 1500 साल पुराना ये रिचुअल विंटर घोस्ट को डिस्पर्स करने के लिए बनाया गया था. I thoroughly enjoyed attending this fun and spooky festival. This is one of those winter nights one must enjoy if you are in Austria during Christmas time. Winter in Vienna will surely surprise you and make you fall in love with it for the rest of your life. We all love snow globes, but I didn't know they were first made in Vienna. Snow globes are so beautiful. They're glass globes filled with water and the secret ingredient which makes the snow. And these beautiful houses, Santa and snowman, which will give you a beautiful winter feel.
Work in these rooms here, and I do all the new designs. This is what my grandfather received, a light spot in the size of a hand. And I already told you, my grandfather would like to improve Edison's light bulb. And he mounted a water-filled glass globe, and he used this glass globe for magnification of the light. And he received this little spot. And my grandfather would like to illuminate a whole room. And so he was not very happy, and at the beginning he poured this glass powder into this water-filled glass globe just to get more reflection. But this glass sank rapidly to the ground of this globe, and
It was heavy.
And therefore he used at the end this semolina. And this is it's a white powder, a little bit yellow, but he poured this in the water and got soaked by the water and floated very slowly to the ground. And this reminded him on snowfall, and this was a basic idea for the creation.
I was also lucky to get one snow globe as the memory to cherish for the rest of my life.
Yes, I'm going to send you all the pictures.
Thank you.
And I'll always remember you. You'll always be snowing in my house.
The only snow in India.
You will be snowing in India, yes.
Here, thank you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Viennese cuisine is practically made for winters. Stepping into Schnitzel restaurant, यहाँ की smell, which was like bread and lemons, transported me to another world. I immediately knew that I'm about to get an incredible meal. Figimuller is one of the best known spots to grab a schnitzel. So I was invited to eat and learn to cook schnitzel. So be local and try local cuisine. ये हमेशा से मेरा मंत्रा रहा है, and I always do that. डिश का और हर रेस्टोरेंट का एक अपना सीक्रेट होता है, और यहाँ श्निट्ज़ल का जो सीक्रेट है वो है कि उसको कैसे 3 अलग अलग पैन में फ्राई किया जाता है, 3 डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर पे. दिस इज द मोस्ट फेमस प्लेस to eat Schnitzel. Come and indulge yourself in Schnitzel. guy Roland tried Schnitzel, which was partly cooked by me, and it wasn't bad. It is a pork dish which is served with potato salad, and I tell you, it was delicious. This dish is slightly expensive. Dinner for two here would cost you about 50 euros. But I tell you, it is so worth it. If you like pork or if you want, it can also be made vegetarian. Cold weather is the perfect excuse to warm up in a Viennese coffee house. My next stop was Landman Cafe.
Hi, good morning. मैं हूँ लैंडमैन कैफे में क्योंकि वियना सिटी का सबसे फेमस कैफे है. You know why? Because we are right next to the theatre, Parliament and the town hall. So very, very important location. Besides that, it is one of the most gorgeous cafes. And you know what? Viennese culture is all to do with great coffee. So I'm going to try some coffee and these wonderful cakes.
आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि जैसे आप फॉर्मर टाइम्स में हैं, when intellectuals would spend their whole day philosophizing from within the coffee houses in Vienna. Landman Cafe is one of the oldest coffee houses and also listed in World Heritage Site. You will feel as if you stepped back in time in this exquisite cafe. यहाँ का कॉफी मेन्यू देख के मैं थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो गई, but I ordered perfect coffee because I wanted to try different coffees which are brewed and also produced by the coffee house itself. So I wanted to taste different coffees. I ordered Turkish coffee, Viennese coffee जिसे melange कहते हैं, and definitely my favorite coffee shot. The beans, the aroma was absolutely amazing. This was a historical heaven for me. यहाँ के waiters जो कि suited booted shirt, jacket और bow tie में आपको service देते हैं, you really love this experience. You will find that no matter how full your stomach feels, you will find a way to squeeze in some room for at least one piece of cake. So I tried amazing apple strudel with my coffee.
So Stout Bean is a company जो jams बनाने के लिए famous है, but they also make pickled vegetables. See, I can say, imagine, jam must be so good. Anyways, and look at the packaging; it's so beautiful. It's like a collector item.
I saw this amazing gift bag जिसके ऊपर वियना की famous artwork प्रिंट किया गया था और हर डेट के अंदर एक अलग फ्लेवर का जैम था. So in 30 days you would try 30 different types of jams. I thought this was really creative. साथ में मैंने इनकी फैक्ट्री में विजिट भी किया जहां मैंने देखा कि इन जैम्स को कितना हाइजीनिकली बनाया जाता है और पैक किया जाता है. The jams were made with fresh fruits, lemon juice and some packed tea. And in 20 minutes, you get the most amazing organic jam. This was a real treat for me. I always say that I'm a very big fan of Austrian white wines, and I got a chance to visit 16th century home-come restaurant where I could try their homegrown wines and some amazing authentic Viennese food.
Hi, I'm Dipti.
Hi, I'm Katrina. Yeah, we've been here for quite a while. Our history goes back to 1609, so we have more than 400 years of tradition. And since then, my family lived here and we settled here in this area. And yeah, since then we were producing wine here. I'm now the 13th generation, and we have the vineyards right behind the house. So what you can see here, here's the house. This is where we are, where we just came in, and the vineyards are really in the back of our house.
Wow.
Now it's dark outside, so we can't go out, but in summer it's really beautiful up there. And here in the back of it, we have the Viennese forest.
Wow. So what is the main grape in this area?
Gruner Veltliner.
Gruner Veltliner.
This is the most produced wine in Austria.
I love that wine.
Yeah,
It's
very
really,
fruity,
really
a little
nice
bit
and
spicy.
fruity, aromatic.
यहाँ की tavern में many old fireplace देखा, old furniture, and the most amazing was this little cute cat who was like a boss of this restaurant, but she was really adorable.
Okay.
Cheers. Prost.
First. It's amazing.
Very fruity.
Very fruity, very nice.
यहाँ के मैंने इनकी फेमस ग्रूनर वेंटलिनर वाइन ट्राई की, जो कि ऑस्ट्रिया की मोस्ट फेमस वाइन है. So make sure when you visiting Austria next time, you must try this white wine called Gruner Veltliner.
So you have to harvest
So the
earlier.
warmer it is, the sweeter the grapes will be.
The evening I spent here was really beautiful, and it'll always stay in my memories. Seeing new countries, new culture, meeting new people always enlightens me, and that's why I say I just simply love traveling. Stay tuned to my channel Travel with Dipti Bhatnagar, because in 2019 my channel is going to have much more travel vlogs, so stay tuned.